Backing up your Android device before a factory reset is crucial to prevent data loss. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, go to your device settings and select the Accounts option. Here, you will see a list of all accounts synced with your device, including Google, Facebook, and others. Ensure that all accounts are synced, as this will help restore your data later. Next, enable the backup option in your Google account settings. This will automatically back up your app data, contacts, and other information to Google's servers. To do this, go to Settings, then Accounts, and select your Google account. Look for the backup option and toggle it on. In addition to Google's built-in backup feature, you can also use the Google Drive app to back up your photos, videos, and other files. Open the Google Drive app, tap the menu icon, and select the backup option. From here, you can choose which files and folders to back up. Another important step is to back up your text messages and call logs. You can use a third-party app like SMS Backup and Restore to do this. Simply download and install the app, then follow the prompts to back up your messages and call logs. Before performing a factory reset, ensure that you have backed up all important data, including your contacts, photos, videos, and files. You can also use a USB cable to connect your device to your computer and transfer files manually. Finally, once you have backed up all your data, you can safely perform a factory reset on your device. To do this, go to Settings, then select the System option, and look for the Reset option. Follow the prompts to complete the reset process. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your important data is safely backed up before performing a factory reset on your Android device. Remember to always back up your data regularly to prevent loss in case something goes wrong with your device.